Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start with blending. So I'll say each sound, you repeat the sounds, and then we'll blend the word together. Here we go. P, ah, p. Pop, p, ah, t. Pot, r, ah, d. Rod, t, ah, p. Top, b, ah, x. Box, s, ah, k. Sock, g, ah, t. Got, n, ah, b. Knob, d, ah, k. Dock, r, ah, k. Rock. Good job. All right, let's get ready to roller coaster some words. The first word is bop. B, op. The word is knob. N, ob. The word is talk. T, ok. The word is rot. R, ot. The word is job. J, ob. The word is bob. B, ob. The word is cob. K, ob. The word is lot. L, ot. The word is mop. M, op. And the last word is lock. L, ok. Good job. All right, now we're going to segment phonemes. So I will say a word, you repeat the word, and then we will chop it into 3 separate phonemes. So we talked a little bit yesterday during small groups that now that we're learning more, we're kind of adjusting the way we think about things. So when we're doing CVC words, we're looking for 3 sounds versus 3 letters. So when I'm talking about chopping words into separate phonemes, sometimes we might have digraphs in these. And we know that a digraph is 2 letters that makes 1 sound. And a phoneme is a sound. Here we go. Sob, s, a, b. Knock, n, a, k. Tot, t, a, t. Lock, l, a, k. Gob, g, a, b. Cot, k, a, t. Mob, m, a, b. Pod, p, a, d. Nod, n, a, d. Good job. All right, now we're going to do some phoneme substitution. So we'll get our fists ready like this. We'll say the word, change the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is gob. Change g to j. Job. The word is cot. Change k to t. Tot. The word is box. Change b to f. Fox. The word is dot. Change d to n. Not. The word is hop. Change h to p. Pop. Good job. All right. 2 more exercises. Now we're going to add phonemes. So we'll start with the ending rhyme part of our word, and we'll add the onset or the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is op. Add h to the beginning. Hop. The word is ox. Add b to the beginning. Box. The word is all. Add d to the beginning. Doll. The word is odd. Add r to the beginning. Rod. The word is ob. Add s to the beginning. Sob. Good. All right, last one, deleting phonemes. We'll start with the word and we'll take away the beginning sound to see what we're left with. The word is ron. Without r, the word is on. The word is talk. Without t, the word is awk. The word is bop. Without b, the word is op. The word is log. Without l, the word is og. The word is hot. Without h, the word is ought. Good job. Don't forget to practice your poem today.